Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a GitHub account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your browser and type in github.com to get into the official website. Now right over here, this kind of interface is gonna pop up with the option of simply signing in and sign up on the right side of the screen. Now go ahead, tap on the sign up option and it will simply lead you to this kind of interface. Here you gotta simply enter your email, now once you're done entering it, tap on this continue option. And now you can see for us, we have already created an account with this email. That's why it's showing email is invalid or already taken. For you, you're gonna enter a new email which you do not have account with. Once you tap on the continue, it will simply ask you to set up your account while creating a new password and entering the username of yours. Simply provide the information that has not been taken by anybody else. Once you have provided that, you will be able to create yourself a GitHub account and you're good to go. Make sure to remember the login details so you can simply access it in your app as well, and that is it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.